I'm sitting in the car trying to surprise my sister with a portrait of my nephew. They both passed away. And she keep rushing me. She don't know what I'm doing. She said, I gotta go to work tomorrow. Boy, can you hurry up? She surprised me at my party, my art show, yesterday, whatever it was. So I'm trying to surprise her back with something, and she fucking rushing me and shit. I wanted to look bad, you feel me? I hate rushing doing portraits, man. It's hard enough. She looking like I'm though. She said, you got 10 minutes. 10 more minutes. I'm going to bed, boy. So y'all pray for me. That's what y'all got over so far. About to go surprise her. I got her some flowers and I got her hot ass picture.
Absolutely.
Both of them, you can tell them on the side. You can just tell them the eyelashes. His face.
Oh, wow.
You're crazy.
Oh yeah, I gotta show you his son sucking
I
his tongue.
I showed it to her.
No, sucking his tongue.
Oh no. He stuck his tongue just like them.
For real?
It's in my phone.
It's crazy. Yo,
This is 2 times this week now. He done made me cry.
Ain't that you crazy? Yeah. You doing the car? Sitting in the car?
Listen,
Look at him.
Omar.
Ain't that
Oh,
scary?
he is doing that.
Ain't that scary? That's scary, yo. I swear. I'm talented. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
So they know I'm like, you don't gotta be my boss. You don't gotta do this. I could go on my own and do 1,000 things. Whatever. If I had to sell socks, I'd be the best selling socks person in Philly. I said, listen, you don't buy socks from nowhere. I'm gonna come to your house. You just text me when you need some socks. And I know how to get money. I know how to hustle. People make excuses too much. You know what I mean? Since I've been home, I didn't cut hair. I didn't went to truck driving school. Just trying. So I'm gonna ask nobody for nothing. I said, tell you, I ever call you asking for anything from my jail or anything? Never. Even she was in my. I asked for a piece of chicken when she was working in my jail. She worked there, so I see her. Give me some chicken. But man, I don't, because I feel like I can do it myself. Because everybody got the same opportunity to get something that somebody else got. I'm just playing with my. I told you I was gonna never lose them. I'll never lose them Jones. Yeah, but I don't need them now because you can put them in the. When you gave them to me, that's the internet wasn't how it was. To save stuff in your phone. That's how long I had them pictures. I had them pictures for like more than 10 years.
He done made me cry.
I'm like, she rushed me. I gotta hurry up.
I can't handle it when I cry. Wow. I can't believe. Can you see?
I used to do this in jail for soups and cakes.
You hear him, honey?
What you say?
Say it again, Omar.
So I used to do this in jail for soups and cakes.
Yeah. Hey, where was you at?
Last Dallas.